Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, if you're in the HubSpot ecosystem for the past year, you might have noticed that recently when HubSpot introduced Breeze AI, they removed a very important and a hands-on feature which a lot of HubSpot power users used to enable, which was the automatic enrichment of contacts and companies. So, HubSpot would basically take the domain name and using that as a data source, update all relevant fields inside of companies and inside of contacts as well. But when Breeze AI was introduced for a brief period of time, this was disabled. So, which meant that if you wanted to enrich your contacts and companies, these basic enrichments for both of them, you had to consume. It used to consume HubSpot credits, HubSpot AI credits, and this was something which had unsettled a lot of users. The good part about HubSpot is it listens to its users. So very recently, HubSpot removed this requirement of consuming HubSpot AI credits whenever you want to enrich contacts and companies. So all of this is free now. All you need to do is enable these features so that anytime a contact enters into HubSpot or anytime there are changes to your existing contacts on HubSpot, this enrichment takes place automatically. So I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. So let's hop in. It's very easy. You need to go to the data management tab over here and click on data enrichment. Once you've reached there, under data enrichment, you will see this option for view enrichment settings. You need to click on it. And over here, if you see automatically enrich new records is disabled. So you just need to enable these, continue enrich existing records. It's already enabled. If it's disabled in your system, you could do that as well. And if you wanted to enrich the recently engaged contacts, you could do that as well and just enable that. And in a scenario wherein you do not want this feature to operate in your HubSpot instance, you could just opt out of free company name enrichment. So that's it. That's how easy it is. But once you do that, you can be rest assured that all of your contacts and companies getting added to HubSpot are enriched automatically with all of the data HubSpot has regarding these two objects. So yeah, that's how it is. Hope you found it useful. Thank you.